Have you been wondering how you can make money online? Millions of people are struggling to make money online with little success. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money and start earning $5,000 or even $10,000 per month with just a few clicks of your mouse. And I'll give you something really special and exclusive to making $1,000 and even more each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. And make sure you click on the first link in the description below. But before we start, make sure to watch this video till the end, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. I am always sharing new money-making hacks for free. And comment below where you are from, and I will create a specific video for your region. Now, let's jump to the video. So you want to make money online, but you are struggling. It's not easy to make money online. Most people struggle with it. But that doesn't mean you should give up hope. There are ways to make a good money from your home, even if you don't have any experience. I will show you how you can build a passive income stream with $5,000 and more each month by just very few steps. I want you to go M4 Tricks Network. M4 Tricks Network provides a multitude of private offers ranging from health and beauty to e-commerce. M4 Tricks Network has permanently altered CPA marketing by providing exclusive and fashionable offers and premium quality. They manage the whole flow, from supply to local delivery and customer service, allowing them to provide unrivaled performance for your traffic. Their variety of offerings is available globally. They specialize in exclusive offers, with a focus on hyper-profitable nations such as the MENA region. In these underserved markets, their affiliates see an immediate profit. M4 Tricks Network does not accept other advertisers' offers on the network. All the offers available inside the M4 Tricks are 100% exclusive and owned by them. To start, earn from M4 Tricks Affiliate Network. First, you need to sign up. Once you get approved, you can log into your affiliate dashboard, where you can choose from a wide range of marketing tools specially designed to generate traffic and boost your conversion rates. Now you can start earning money. M4 Tricks Network resources provided to scale out your campaigns. They pay weekly net for at a $1,000 threshold. Now, make sure you click on the first link in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day. And if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.